In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy tables in Notion. Copying a table in Notion is really useful when you want to reuse the same structure, formatting, and properties without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Maybe you have a task tracker, a content calendar, or a simple database that you'd like to use in multiple places. Duplicating the table is the fastest and cleanest way to do that. First, open the Notion page that contains the table you want to copy. Make sure you can see the entire table block, not just a single cell. Notion treats the whole table as one block, and that's what we'll be duplicating. Now, move your mouse to the left side of the table, near the top. As you hover there, you'll see a small handle appear, usually represented by 6 dots arranged in a grid. This 6-dot icon is the block handle, and it tells you that you're selecting the entire table, not just one part of it. If you don't see it right away, slowly move your cursor along the left edge of the table until it appears. Once that 6-dot handle shows up, click on it. When you click the handle, a small menu will appear, giving you several options for managing the block. This is where you can move, delete, or duplicate the table. From that menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. As soon as you do, Notion will create an exact copy of your table directly on the page. You'll see a second table appear, usually right below the original one, with the same columns, properties, and data. At this point, you can click into the new table and start editing it without affecting the original. You can change the title, adjust columns, or clear out rows if you want to start fresh while still keeping the structure. If you need to move the duplicated table to a different part of the page, you can use the 6-dot handle again and drag it where you want. You can also cut and paste it into another page if needed, and that's all there is to it. By clicking the 6-dot handle to open the block menu and then selecting duplicate, you can quickly copy any table in Notion and reuse it wherever you need.